Are you interested in getting into real estate investing, but don't have a lot of money to get started? You're not alone. Many people want to know how to break into the industry without spending a lot of cash up front. While there are numerous techniques for investing in real estate with no money down, some methods are better than others. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of starting as a wholesaler and working your way up. We'll also provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to wholesale real estate without using your cash. However, before we begin our video, we would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. So, let's get started. What is wholesaling real estate with no money? Real estate wholesaling with no money involves bringing together a buyer and seller for a property deal without using any of your own money. In this type of deal, a third party, known as the wholesaler, connects the buyer and seller, negotiate a deal, and assigns their contract to the buyer for a fee. The wholesaler doesn't invest their own capital, but instead uses their time and resources to find a great deal on a property and then recruits a buyer who has the funding to make the purchase. The seller does not pay the wholesaler, but the wholesaler earns money through the assignment fee paid by the buyer. This technique is an excellent way to get started in real estate investing without a lot of capital, as it doesn't require a down payment. How much money do you need to start wholesaling real estate? Wholesaling real estate requires some funds to get started, even though you don't need a down payment or to make repairs to a property. The good news is that wholesaling is a relatively low-cost way to enter the real estate industry. You'll need money to advertise and market your wholesale property deals, and it's important to use effective advertising outlets to find deals from sellers and showcase them to potential buyers. While there are free tools available, investing some money into your business will increase your chances of success. Does wholesaling real estate work? Wholesaling real estate can be a lucrative opportunity for individuals who possess the right skills and mindset. It's an ideal way to enter the real estate industry without a large upfront investment. Those who become skilled at locating and marketing deals to the right people have a high chance of making a profit when wholesaling real estate. It can be a challenging process that requires time and effort to develop a successful strategy, making it suitable for everyone. If you're interested in learning how to wholesale real estate without any money, you can follow these steps to get started. Number 1. Wholesaling lingo. To begin wholesaling real estate, it's essential to understand the lingo associated with the trade. Familiarizing yourself with common terms will enable you to comprehend discussions within the real estate wholesaling community. Key terms to know include the appraisal, which is an estimated property value, assignment, the transfer of a contract to buy or sell something to another person, and broker, someone who connects people to make a deal. Other terms to know include clear title, which signifies that the property has no liens, and fair market value, which is the highest price a buyer is willing to pay and the lowest price a seller will accept. Number 2. Research, research, research. Before embarking on wholesaling, real estate research is crucial. Speak to other investors in your local market to understand what to expect. Obtain specialized knowledge from credible sources with experience and learn about your local area. Understanding local property prices and neighborhoods will give you an edge when starting to wholesale real estate. Number 3. Build your cash buyers list. One of the most valuable assets for a local real estate wholesaler is a strong buyers list. This list of potential buyers is crucial for success in the business, and the good news is that it doesn't require significant investment. Compiling a cash buyers list takes effort and time on your part, but the benefits are worth it. A few outlets to start building your list include Craigslist, Facebook, LinkedIn, auctions, newspaper classifieds, other wholesalers, bandit signs, realtors, tax record research, and local lenders. As you gather potential buyers' information, keep in touch with them and keep them updated on your available deals. Number 4. Find distressed properties. Distressed properties refer to properties that a seller must sell fast, often due to foreclosure, the death of a family member, or divorce. Finding such properties before they hit the market can allow you to purchase them at a good deal and make a profit from the contract. To find distressed properties, you can explore pre-foreclosures, consult with divorce attorneys, engage with flippers and property managers, collaborate with estate agents, or connect with other wholesalers. Utilizing these resources can help you discover lucrative deals and make smart investments in real estate. Number 5. Find and analyze deals. Wholesalers usually find deals through postcards, door knocking, signage, and networking with agents. However, partnering with other wholesalers can be beneficial when starting out. There are active wholesalers in your area who are constantly sourcing deals, and collaborating with them can help you gain experience and build your buyer list. Forming a joint venture allows you to assist them in finding buyers and earn a referral fee. The wholesaler can also help you analyze the numbers on properties, so you learn what is and isn't a good deal. With a strong buyer list and resources, both parties can succeed in a joint venture. Number 6. Run the numbers. To find and market your own deals, understanding the numbers is crucial. When evaluating a property, consider its location, condition, status, and lowest price. It's also essential to be aware of current market trends and compare prices in the area. These factors help determine the assignment fee for the contract position. By analyzing the numbers, you can ensure the deal is profitable and make informed decisions on pricing strategies. Number 7. Convince the owner to sell. Once you've determined that a property is the right deal, the next step is convincing the owner to sell. If it's a distressed property, the owner may be eager to sell quickly at a good price. However, if the property isn't on the market and the owner isn't in a rush to sell, it may require some effort on your part to persuade them. Selling the owner on the idea of letting go of their property could be necessary, and seeking guidance from a wholesaling mentor can be valuable in these situations. Number 8. Negotiate a deal with the buyer. After securing the owner's agreement to sell, the next step is negotiating a deal with the buyer. While they aim to get the best deal, you need to make sure to sell the property for a price higher than what the seller wants to increase your fee. Highlight the value of the property to the buyer and avoid dropping the price too low, so it's worth your effort and time. Convincing the buyer of the property's worth can help you secure a profitable deal. Number 9. Finalize and monetize. Securing financing beforehand enables you to act swiftly on a wholesale deal. Finalizing the contract can be expedited with pre-arranged financing. You can acquire financing from a private or hard money lender. Although hard money lenders may require a down payment, private money lending focuses on networking and building connections. Hence, it's beneficial to initiate discussions to build your network. Number 10. Have an exit strategy. Wholesaling involves buying and selling a contract or double closing on a property within minutes, but it comes with inherent risks. To prepare for unforeseen circumstances, having an exit strategy is crucial. This strategy enables you to make decisions confidently without any fear. You can consider buy and sell contracts, reselling as the owner through a double close, or rehabbing distressed properties. Being aware of exit strategies before pursuing a wholesale deal is essential to protect yourself if a situation doesn't work out with either the buyer or the seller. That's it for today. We hope you found our video interesting. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with others. Also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new uploads. In the end, thanks for watching and see you next time.